Hello, Vipers. All right, so let's talk about AMP landing pages and AMP blocks that you might have stumbled across in our HTML builder. So what these are elements that can be used in our HTML builder that go beyond the technology that is possible to send an email. So these are things that you can use to enrich your landing pages in a more interactive way, and that can be used in those landing pages. However, you're not able to actually send them in email. So I'm going to show you what some of these are and how you can use them. So these are the elements you'll see under the blocks here that have this little lightning bolt on them. So you'll see AMP block when you hover over it. And so what we have here are a carousel and accordion. And I've got an example of one of each in case these are things that you are not familiar with. So when you are using these in the HTML builder, you'll first of all want to make sure that the landing pages are enabled, which you can do by clicking this Edit Template Details. You'll have an option to click Enable Template Landing Page, and then you can save the template details to have that enabled. So then this template will be able to be used as a landing page as opposed to just as an email. And so what you can do here is just drag and drop these over. I'll show you roughly, just briefly how these are set up here, where you are able to select multiple slides here. For the carousel, these can be images, which you can also link, of course, and you just simply add additional slides as you want to add additional images that will be featured in the carousel. And then down here, I've got an accordion, which is frequently used for FAQs, for instance. It's something I'm sure you'll recognize once I show you the landing page. And so here I've got these 3 different sections with very descriptive titles. Title of section is what I gave it, and then you're able to put a block underneath it. That could be text or an image. So I got these 2 that are text, and then here's an image right here. So let's save and preview landing page. And so as you can see here, we just have a very, very basic landing page. And we've got this carousel. And so what the carousel allows you to do is just create this like rotating series of images. Great for showing products, and you can see the previews right here that can be switched back and forth from. And then down here we have the accordion, which is called that because it's able to be collapsed and then also expanded here. So we've got the image right there, and then these 2 smaller sections down below. Again, also useful for highlighting products. Also very frequently used for FAQs. So what you're also able to do is take advantage of a bunch of additional new sample templates that also have AMP built into them. And you can just search for AMP right here, and you will see a selection of templates that have already been made that have AMP features within them, which could also be a good way to just explore what you have here. And of course, you'll just want to stay away from anything that has to do with AMP if you intend on sending this template as an email, since it just simply is not technology that works in the format of email. However, you can kind of get away with this if you, for instance, create a landing page that has AMP elements within it that you just simply link to from your email that you're sending out. That will absolutely work. And of course, if you have any questions about any of this, feel free to reach out. Thank you.